Hi friend, ever feel like people always know when you are online? You are not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to hide your WhatsApp active status and last seen using the built-in settings. No extra app, no complicated step. It's only take a few steps, so let's jump right in. First thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and also make sure you are logged into your exit account. After that, look at the top right menu bar. Here you can see the three dots more icon. Tap to open it. After the pop-up page open, look for the settings option, click on them. In the settings, scroll down a little, find the privacy option, tap to open it. In the privacy menu, look for the last seen and online option, click on here. Within the page, you can basically see the two options, who can see my last seen and who can see when I am online. The first option you can select nobody. After that, the second option you can select same as last seen. To save it, simply return to the previous screen, hit the back button and automatically save it. And that's it. Hope this quick tip made your WhatsApp a little more private. If it helped, leave a like, subscribe for more simple tech guides, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, take care guys.